Right, here is the long-awaited tutorial on how to combine multiple text files using Python into a single CSV to bulk upload into WordPress. So yeah, I'm using Zimmwriter, and obviously copy and pasting sucks, so I decided to work with my handy-dandy friend ChatGPT to help me make this Python script. And after a little bit of trial and error, I got it working, and it just saved me so much time. So just thought I'd share it. Here's a little tutorial how it all works. So I have a folder on my desktop with all the articles that I want to upload, and I just wrote these today. I'm going to post them on my blog in a moment. But you could see I haven't even edited these. This is like the raw output from Zimmwriter. It's got all the settings, which I didn't uncheck. And next we have just a blank CSV file called output.csv. It has no columns or anything. You just want to create a blank file. And then finally we have the Python script. So I'm just going to walk through how to set this up. You only need to change two things. You have to update your shared folder path. So that is where all of your articles are. In my case, it's on my desktop on a Mac. And so I'm just going to replace your username with my username, Steve Goldberg, desktop/Zimmwriter. And you want to make sure your folder path stays in between these quotes. And then the next one is output CSV path. Since I have everything in one folder, it's just basically the same folder, except you want to have the name of the CSV file there. So I'll just change my username here, and then that's it. Once you have the Python file set up and all your folders or files together, you want to open a new terminal window if you're on Mac, or command prompt if you're on Windows. On Mac, what I like to do is just right-click the folder, go to Services, and then click New Terminal at Folder. So now that we have that open, all we have to do is just type python3 space zimcsv.py and then hit enter. You're not going to see any prompts or anything because I haven't made the Python script do that. But if we go ahead and open the CSV file now, you can see all of our articles are split into different columns. So first column is the content, second is the title, meta description, and the mid-journey prompt. If you don't want any of these in here, you could just delete the whole row, then save it. But yeah, this basically the raw output is here. And so you can see it's got the, it basically took out the heading, the meta description, and the mid-journey prompt from this text. So when we upload this to WordPress through WP All Import or whatever plugin you want to use, we just match the fields together, and then the content gets imported. So I'm not going to do that in this video. I'll do that in another video. But for now, yeah, I guess just post any comments or questions you have below, either if you're on YouTube or if you're on the website, synoptica.com, and I'll try to help you troubleshoot and get this working so you can save as much time as I have.